Hi.
Okay, look here. This is where you're going to plug in the extension cord. It's only got 2 prongs, not the third one. So you're going to put it in sideways, like that.
Okay.
Okay, over here, this is your choke. The bottom is to start it.
Okay.
This one here slides left to right. All you have to do is have it in the middle. If you put it to the left, it's going to make the engine speed up, which will make it go faster. If you put it to the right, it's going to shut it off.
Okay.
All right, so keep it in the middle.
Okay.
This is a key. This is your ignition. You have to have this in. When you shut the machine off, you could shut it off this way, or you could shut it off this way.
Okay.
Either one will do the same thing, but you have to make sure these are all in to start it.
Okay.
Press this 1, 2, 3 times.
Okay.
Now it's going to start. It's warm. Once it starts, you go back to this. You turn this up.
Hold on.
It can be all the way here at 9 o'clock. Hear how it's loping? So it'll do that because it's very cool now. So leave it right there at like 7 o'clock position.
After it's on?
Yeah, this is how you're going to operate it, right where it is.
So to turn it on?
This is on. If you want to speed it up, that way, this will keep the idle low. So this will go slower.
While I run it though, keep it like that right now?
Yeah, keep it just like this. Or if the snow is that heavy, then you have to speed it up.
Oh,
Alright?
okay.
Up here. This. Make sure this is unplugged. This is your auger. This is what spins and shoots the snow. This is your drive. When you press this, hold this, you go forward. This is how it moves the snow. Backwards. Go that way. This chute is going to determine where you shoot the snow. You just turn it.
Okay.
And then you can just position it up, position it down, whatever you want. You know, left, right. And that's pretty much it. If you want to move it without the auger going to be safe, don't hit this one. Just do this. That's it. You don't have to touch this one. But it's not going to move snow. This just moves the machine.
What does that one do?
This one is the auger. So look on the front. Hey.
Oh.
That's this side. That's what moves the snow. This is not it. There's no danger.
Okay.
Don't ever touch this unless the machine is off.
Okay.
Shut it off. The idle can be anywhere you want. Just pull that out.
Okay.
It'll shut off. That's the easiest way. And you don't ever have to touch this one.
Yes. Okay.
And that's it.
Okay, thank you.